Look no further than the 2023 Nissan Rogue. This feature-rich Rogue adds confidence and convenience to everyday life. Standard driver assist safety tech, large cargo capacity, and spacious seating have your back wherever the road may lead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, keyless start, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, stability control. Enjoy the convenience and comfort this Rogue has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.